Hey guys, so for this week I am going to be showing you how to convert equations from polar to rectangular coordinates. Before we start, you're going to have to know these equations right up here in order to do these as they relate from the polar coordinates to the rectangular coordinates. Alright, so for our first example right here, we have that r equals 6. So to start, we are going to need to square both sides. So this gives us r squared equals 36. After this, we have to decide which equation from above is going to work best. So since we have r squared, we're going to use r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So with that, we have 36 equals x squared plus y squared. So since the x squared and y squared are both squared, then it's going to be a circle. And with that, we know that the center of this circle is 0, 0, and the radius is 6. Okay, so for our second example, we have the polar equation of r equals 4 times the cosine of theta. So with this, we know that the cosine of theta equals x over r. And when we substitute this into our original equation, it gives us r equals 4 times x over r, which we can then rewrite as r equals 4x over r. So then after this, we multiply both sides by r to give us r squared equals 4x. We now use the r squared equals x squared plus y squared equation where we have 4x equals x squared plus y squared. So after this, we then subtract the 4x from both sides, giving us 0 equals x squared minus 4x plus y squared. And then in order to go from here, we have to, in order to get the coordinates, we have to complete the square. And in order to do this, we must take half of -4 and square it, which then gives us plus 4, which we then add to both sides. And as you can see, we have a perfect square trinomial, which is the quantity x minus 2 squared plus the quantity y minus 0 squared equals 4. So since the center of a circle is HK, the center is 2, 0 with a radius of 2. Thank you.